The creation of complex setups with multiple workpieces, as in mill turn or tombstone scenarios, has been consolidated and improved to ensure a simplified user experience. Previously, there were two main problems. From a usability standpoint, it was difficult to create complex part setups, as in the case of mill turn or tombstone scenarios, to ensure a proper display of the IPW in its current machine state. The first problem was that you had to specify the part and workpiece geometry twice. First, within the regular part and workpiece definition in the Operation Navigator, and second, for a proper part workpiece display in CAM simulation within the kinematics tree of the loaded digital twin of the machine tool model. This was inconvenient because you had to search for the right component to assign the geometry. For complex machines, it was very time-consuming due to manual steps and error-prone due to incorrect specifications by the user. The second problem was that in NXCAM simulation, the IPW was not displayed properly. The current machining state was not displayed due to limitations within the system. Both problems were addressed, and an ease-of-use solution is now available. Within the Workpiece ONT component, there's an option available called Physical Workpiece. When this is used, and you have specified a machine component, the system always knows when the IPW needs to be updated when a movement has occurred. This ensures that the right IPW is always displayed. When the Physical Workpiece is enabled, it is indicated by the green colored icon. In addition, it's now easy to specify a multi-IPW setup because the entry point needs to be configured only once, in the ONT. You no longer need to do it in the kinematics model within the machine setup configurator. By using the physical workpiece setting, you can configure for each workpiece individually, whether ISV creates an IPW for it or not. If you run an existing CAM setup with a multi-IPW setup, it is not mandatory to change anything. It will work as before. However, to benefit from these improvements, you need to remove the geometry in the part and workpiece nodes from the kinematics components of the machine tool model. As long as geometry is assigned to them, the system will behave as in the past and will use them for the IPW display.